Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Mike Foster here. Today we're doing a versus. We're doing Cento, San Marzano tomatoes, which are considered the best from Italy, versus Bianco and Di Napoli. This is Mike doing a versus. Let's see which ones are better. All right, these are the San Marzanos. I've opened them up. Let's take a look at them. You can see. Now the other ones are crushed. These are whole. But I can still... They're delicious. These are considered the best tomatoes in the world. They're grown in this part of Italy. I don't know if you can see the map. All the Italian chefs swear by these. Now, Chris Bianco is an American pizza maker from Phoenix. He also has a place in LA, which I've eaten at. And he's also been on television, a bunch of different shows. And these have been rated better than San Marzano. Well, we're going to try it. Chris? Oh my God. These right off have a sweeter taste. Oh, a rich, fresher taste. Now these are grown in California. I gotta tell you, acidic, very, very sweet. Let's go back to the San Marzano. Give them a chance, Mike. You can't just... Okay, let's try another one, San Marzano. These are wonderful. And I've been using San Marzano for years. San Marzano, we'll see. Once more with Bianco, and he has a partner, Di Napoli. All right, one more with Bianco. All right, I gotta make a decision. It's not even close. Bianco tomatoes are better than San Marzanos. There, I said it. Wow. Check them out. They're delicious. I can't wait to make a marinara and a pizza with this new tomato that I just discovered. Thanks to Jimmy Kimmel. I heard him talking about it on his show. He's good for something, right, guys? More videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at my socials. Till next time. Pizza! Peace.
Live life 365.
Where is he? Versus. Let's put that down.